Hello friends, this is Dr. Anand Pai coming back with another problem on 1D motion. Now we are going to take questions from almost all the CETs. So I have done from Karnataka CET, now I am going with Andhra Pradesh CET, and this particular question has been repeated in a number of places in a number of CET exams, and fantastically good questions, probable questions even in JEE. So let us look at this. Okay, a person takes 90 seconds to walk up an stationary escalator. He takes 60 seconds to reach the top when standing still on a moving escalator. How much time will he take to walk up the moving escalator? That means the escalator is, this is the escalator I say, and suppose it has a length of say S, okay? And when he walks up the escalator, that is just like steps, he takes 90 seconds. So TW I'll say is 90 seconds, right? And then now when he moves with T not walking, that is when he is stationary or he is standing, when he is standing, he takes 60 seconds. Now the question we have is how much time he takes when he is moving in the moving escalator. That means when he is walking, he may have a velocity Vw, and when he is standing still, velocity Vs, right? So what is that? S by time. So Tw here it is S by T standing, right? So this would be S by, when standing means he is standing, escalator is moving, right? So when he is walking with escalator stationary, this would be T walk, which is 90. This is velocity Vw, and Vs when he is standing is S by 60. Right. Now, when the escalator is moving as well as he is standing, the velocity, okay, will be the additional velocity, that is W plus S. Walking plus escalator is moving, right? So walking on a moving escalator, okay. So that V, I'll just call it V, that would be S by 90 plus S by 60. Now what they have asked is the time taken. And time taken, the new time taken is nothing, can be calculated by using velocity is nothing but distance by time, right? So time is equal to distance by velocity. So now the time which is there is distance by velocity, right? So that time we can say it's something like this. The total velocity is equal to, we can say, yes, or we can say velocity per time, this only we can apply. So velocity can be written as V1 plus or V walking plus V standing. Now this is nothing but V walking is S by 90 plus S by 60, right? What is asked is time. Time is, now this V is S by time taken. That's it. That we have to substitute. Now S gets cancelled everywhere, and we have 1 by time is equal to 1 by 90 plus 1 by 60. Right. So now when we calculate T from this by using simple algebra, we get T is equal to 36. Right. So the answer is A, 36 seconds. Now when this particular formula can be used sometimes, that 1 by total velocity is equal to time taken. So time taken, total time taken, if the velocity is given and velocity is added up. For example, there might be a question saying that a person is running in a moving train, right? And if he is running, he's running with this speed, and the moving train, it is moving with this speed, and that is given, and we have to calculate the total velocity. Then we can use this easily. You can say, what is the time taken? If you want to say, you can say V 1 by V, yeah. So you can use this particular formula and you can get the answer. Okay, 1 by T is equal to time taken. If he is taking so many time for that distance, the train is taking so much time for that distance, like that. This can be very much used, that the total time taken when it is stationary is 1 by T is equal to 1 by T1 plus 1 by T2 plus 1 by T3 if a lot of velocity is combined together. This one particular formula we can keep in mind, and that will help us to solve questions faster. Okay, so all the best students. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Happy learning. Any comments you can put it on the comment box. Thank you very much.